Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price. Features also include keyless entry, power windows, bucket seats, rear window wiper, Uconnect system. With these ratings, take a ride in the 2017 Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, mirror memory, steering wheel controls, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, power door locks. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.